There she is, folks. The one only Josie May. She's working on her soccer ball career. 4 months old in a couple weeks. Yep. She says, oh, these balls are delicious. Give me that ball. I want that ball. I want it. Oh, yeah. Look at here. Josie says, I'll eat this sucker. I eat it. I carry it around and I eat it. I carry it around, I eat it. I carry it around, I eat it. Where you going with that ball? Huh, Bulldog? Where are you going with it? Where you going, Moose Lips? Hey, let's get it. Let's get that ball. Boom! There she goes. Oh, yeah. Josie May. Look at Joe's. Look at Joe's. Look at. Hey, look at. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's raining. Come on. There she goes. I don't want to kick the ball. I want to carry the ball. You're going to get penalties for carrying the ball. You are. Penalties. Penalties for carrying the ball. Penalties. Penalties for carrying it. Come on. Let's go. Let's get this big star ball going. Star ball. Ready? You ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready? You're ready. You really ready? Ready? Woo! Ho ho! She loves to ride on the ball. That's her thing. She can't pick it up with her mouth, but she says, I can ride on it. I can carry that one. But the big one, I can't. I just can't do it. I'll figure that one out. Boy, give her 6 months and no ball will be safe. No ball will be safe. Look at this ball. Look at it. What's it gonna do, baby? Look at that. She's really concerned. She's really intense. She's studying the ball. And the ball is gone. Woo! There she goes. Oh, man. Out behind the cat house. Out behind the cat house. Oh, where did she go? Where is she gone? Where's that ball? You left it over there? Some fetcher you are. I just want to think I am a Labrador Retriever. Are you nuts? Not even. I ain't from Labrador. I'm from Gainesville. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You wouldn't believe what this ball does for my sleeping. Because 9:30 at night, she's ready to go to bed. She is ready to go to bed. I just had it over there. Dingo. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to get up on this sucker. I'm going to get up on it. I want to get it from you. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It is mine. It's mine. It's mine. Not yours. You can't have it. It's my ball. My ball. It's my ball. What a silly girl. Oh boy. She does this to her mother. She sits up on her head like that. Poor Barbara. What are you doing? Let's get her around you. Oh my. Let's get her around. Oh yeah. Let's get it around. What a goofball. What a goofball. Let's get it out in a big part of the yard. Says, nope, I'm keeping it right here. I'm keeping it right here, sir. It's my ball. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna move it somehow. I'm gonna figure out how to move it. I'm gonna figure out how to move it. Whoa, I'm gonna figure it out. That's my ball. Not your ball. I'm gonna get that ball. Boy, what a bingo. Oh, what a bingo. Uh-oh. The ball is dead. I finally got it to where I wanted it. Now I can carry that sucker around. Well, she got a few days out of it, folks. Now she's killed it. She is so happy now that she's killed the ball. Oh, so I'm still trying to kill that one. All right, Josie May, let's go in the house.